The camera quality of this video might not be that good, but this is gonna be a really practical, straight to the point guide on how you can actually be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, studying, practicing your art, sleeping early, and like reading some books, anything. Hi, my name is Laksana, just an average person who is also struggling and been documenting my own consistency journey online for hundreds of days. One of my biggest achievements in being consistent is that I currently have an 88 days straight morning push-up streak fully documented on my Instagram. I average somewhere around like 45 push-ups per morning, okay? And you know what? I want to say thank you. Thank you for actually caring about your life, because if you actually want to change your life to the better through implementing some positive things consistently, I actually really do appreciate that. So this is February 3rd, 2025, and this is going to be day 210 of consistently helping people build consistency. So there's this one method, this one principle that I found really helpful in order to help us to be consistent at doing positive things. It is to appreciate us every single time we manage to do the thing that we said that we're going to be doing. It is to say thank you to ourselves every single time we manage to actually do the thing that we know we should be doing. Okay? So, and it's not in a sense that we only do it as a formality, as something that we do because, just for the sake of doing it. It's saying thank you genuinely, okay? Actually saying thank you from your heart to yourself. So there's this one speech from Snoop Dogg that I really love. You can just like search it up on YouTube. It's called, just search Snoop Dogg Thank Me, where basically he was, I don't know, maybe like he was receiving some award and then he was giving some speech. And on a part of his speech, he was saying thank you to himself for all the hard work that he has done. And I think that's how things should be. Okay? Because I noticed that it's kind of weird. So because every single time people actually, do something good to us, big chances we are gonna be saying thank you at them, right? And also, every single time we do positive things to other people, we help other people, right? Big chances they also say thank you to us. But why it's kind of like something that we actually forget, something that we kind of forget in our society to say thank you to ourselves. Why can we say thank you to other people and other people say thank you to us? But it's something that's really, really rare to see, of somebody actually appreciating himself or herself for the thing that he actually do, for the positive thing that he actually done to himself or herself. So the thing that we are going to be doing here is to make ourselves, make ourselves realize, make ourselves aware that we are actually being appreciated for actually doing the thing that we wanted to be consistent at. Because notice that, like, let's say we want to be consistent at doing this, and then we actually do that thing. I believe that maybe like 90% of people, they don't even say thank you to themselves for actually doing the thing that they should be doing. And comparatively, we always punish ourselves for, being lazy, for not doing the thing, blah, 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 blah. But again, it's really a rare thing for us to actually say thank you to ourselves for actually doing the thing that we know we should be doing. So here's the thing. When we know that we are being appreciated, guess what's going to happen? The probability of us actually repeating the same behavior, repeating the same habit in the future is going to be higher, okay? Because we're going to be thinking like, oh, you know what? Somebody actually cared about the thing that I actually do. Somebody actually appreciate the intention, the positive intention that I got. And that person is myself. So how do we actually implement this thing, right, in the more systematic way? So here's the thing. The thing that you want to be doing here is to just pick one thing, one specific thing that you wanted to be consistent. Okay, maybe like exercising, studying, reading some book, anything. So let's say you want to be consistent at studying. Okay, let's don't. The thing that we want to be doing here is that don't just say that. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna be studying every single day. Blah 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 blah. No, we want to make this studying thing extremely clear. by making it specific and measurable. Okay, so instead of just saying that, oh yeah, I'm gonna be studying, let's say that, oh, you know what, yeah, I'm gonna be reading, which is specific, reading a book, which is specific, and also I'm gonna be doing it for at least 10 minutes every single day, which is measurable, specific, and measurable. This way we don't have to spend the time and mental energy anymore on a daily basis thinking of and deciding what's the thing that we're going to be doing, okay? And also, we're going to be having some sense of consistency this way. Because you know what? 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes of reading a book, 10 minutes of reading a book, 10 minutes of reading a book. And again, every single time we manage to actually stick to that schedule, to stick to that routine, to stick to that habit, we're going to be saying thank you to ourselves. Okay? And again, not in a sense that, oh, you know what, saying thank you just for the sake of saying thank you and not actually feel anything about it, but actually say thank you from the bottom of your heart. You know, like you as a person actually spends your time, spends your energy to actually do this positive thing for the goodness of yourself, right? So you actually really deserve a thank you. And again, the thing that is going to happen here is that our brain, is going to feel like, oh, yeah, I'm actually being appreciated. Well, you know what? I'm also going to be doing it tomorrow. I'm also going to be doing it 2 days from now, and so on and so on. So that's how you actually be consistent by thanking yourself, saying thank you to yourself and making sure that you know that you're being appreciated. Okay? So, yeah, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye. You can also join our Discord, though.